Welcome to the Accession mobile client training. In this training, we will go through the layout of the mobile app, go over call handling, which includes placing and answering calls, putting calls on hold, transferring, and conferencing. We will then discuss how to access voicemail and change your present status and other personal settings. First, you must download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it is downloaded, open the app and click Login. Choose the carrier Optimum Cloud. Choose to allow incoming and outgoing calls. Enter your 10-digit phone number and password. The default is OCCW2417. Check Remember My Password and click Login. If you have an iPhone, you will have to allow access to use your microphone. Enter in your cell number and click Continue. Now that the app is downloaded, we will go through the layout. In the upper right-hand corner, you can access your call presence and settings. To access or add contacts, click the Contacts tab. To see your call history, voicemails, or open the dial pad, click the Phone tab. To create new or open existing instant messages, click the Chat tab. To place a call, search for a contact. Choose Call or click the phone icon next to the number you wish to dial. To answer an incoming call, click Accept or slide to Answer. Here's what an active call looks like. To mute yourself, click Mute. To unmute yourself, click Mute again. If you hit an auto attendant and need to access your keypad, click the keypad icon. To get back to the active call screen, click the keypad cancel icon. To activate your speakerphone for hands-free communication, click the speaker icon. To turn the speakerphone off, click the speaker icon again. To put a call on hold, click the hold icon. To retrieve a call, click the hold icon again. To add a favorite to a call, click the Favorite button. Select a favorite and slide it to the screen to call. To move a phone call from your mobile client to your desk phone, click More and select Switch. To transfer a call, click the Add Transfer icon. Select a contact or click Dial Pad and type in a number. Wait for an answer and announce the call and choose Transfer. To create a conference call, click the Add Transfer icon. Select a contact or click the dial pad and type in a number. Choose Swap to switch between calls. Choose Merge to conference the calls together. Here is what an active conference call screen looks like. To access your contacts, click on Contacts. Your favorites will appear at the top of the page if you have any. To add a new contact, click the plus sign. Type in the contact information and click Done or Save. To add a contact to your favorites list, select the contact and click the star. To make a call, click Call or the phone icon. To send an instant message, click Chat or IM or SMS. Click More to edit a contact. To access your call history or voicemail, click the Phone tab. Choose Call History to see your last 100 calls. Click the phone icon to call a contact back. To make a new call, click the dial pad. Click Voicemail to access your voicemail. To listen to a voice message, click Play. Click Call to call the person back. Click IM to chat. Click More to delete, forward via email, or mark as unheard. To access existing chats or create new ones, click Chat. To continue an existing chat, click on the chat. Type in a message and click Send. To start a new chat, click the plus sign. To change your presence or access your settings, click the icon in the upper right-hand corner. To set yourself as available or put yourself in Do Not Disturb, click Call Manager. From this screen, you can also change your password, your ringtone, your chat settings, your Wi-Fi settings, contacts to display, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you can log out. Congratulations! You have finished the Accession mobile training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.